Hey guys, I hope you are well. Today I want to talk about my beautiful skin because I am home now and I've been getting compliments that my skin is popping, and I thought let me not keep the information, let me share with the masses as to why my skin is glowing. Okay, so when someone is asking me why is my skin beautiful, I usually tell them to drink water, but the truth is having a beautiful skin is more than just drinking water. And today I want to share those tips. And my skin has never been that problematic. Okay, it has been pretty average, but I think last year I really did make an effort in taking care of my skin and having routines and really being intentional about loving my skin. Okay, so the first thing that I do is definitely drinking water. I always make sure that I drink at least 2 liters of water every day, and when I go to gym I drink more than that, which is even amazing for your skin. Okay, the second thing that I do is I stay away from toxic people, whether it is a toxic boyfriend, a toxic coworker, or a toxic friend. You need to stay away from toxic people, because when you are surrounded by toxic people, that will affect your skin, believe it or not. Okay, and then the third thing that I do is I go for facials every month, once a month. So what I usually do is I alternate between doing peels and doing the normal facials. So if I do a peel this month, the following month I probably would do a normal peel, and that has really helped me. I think that actually is what has the biggest impact in my skin. Okay, and then another thing that I want to mention is when I look myself in the mirror, I appreciate my skin. When I am putting a moisturizer on my skin, I appreciate it. I don't put my skin down. I think we take it for granted how important it is to speak life into our skin. Don't say, oh my god, I hate this pimple. Just appreciate your skin. Say thank you, skin, for taking care of me. Thank you for covering my cells. And I think the more you speak positively to your skin, the more it will respond positively to you. So make an effort to look yourself in the mirror and appreciate yourself every time, instead of picking on yourself and thinking, oh, why do I have this pimple, why do I have this, why do I have these blemishes. Speak positively to your skin, and I cannot stress this enough. Okay, and another thing that I do is when I see people who have problematic skin, I do not judge them. I just look and I pass on. Just don't make any comments. So I think it's very important to know that we are all one, and when you're putting someone else down, you are actually putting yourself down. You are affecting yourself with negativity. So if I see someone who has maybe skin with acne, I don't bully them, I don't comment about that, I just pretend like I did not see it. And I know that this might be controversial to some people, but it's very important that you look at things that you would love to invite into your life. It's very important to appreciate what you have, and it's very important to not put other people down. So if there's nothing positive that you can say to someone else who has maybe bad skin, I would suggest that you keep quiet. Don't make it worse, because I think it's very important to remind ourselves that when someone has something that they don't really like about their bodies, they know. There's no need for you to remind them. There's no need for you to put them down for it. There's no need for you to bully them. Just leave them alone if you cannot make any changes for them. Okay, and another thing that I have done that I feel like has really helped me as well is I go to gym at least 5 times a week, and once a week I do sauna, or I do the steam, which I believe is a really big privilege for me, because I don't pay for sauna, I don't pay for steam. It is a package that is included in my gym, and I believe that sauna and steam really makes a huge difference in my life. And also sweating while I'm lifting weights also helps to open up my pores and clear my skin. up. um and another thing that I would also love to mention is when I see someone who has beautiful skin, I um tell them that wow, your skin looks beautiful. I'm not telling them that their skin looks beautiful because I want to know what products are they using or whatever, but I think it ties down to that point where I'm saying that if you don't like something, just keep quiet and ignore it, pretend like you did not say it instead of putting someone else down. But when I see someone who has beautiful skin, I do say that wow, your skin is glowing. And I think that the more you compliment people who has beautiful skin, the more you are attracting that to yourself. So okay, another thing that I forgot to mention is that I always make sure that I sleep on top of clean pillows. So I wash my pillows as regularly as I can, because when you sleep on dirty pillows, you are actually affecting your skin. And another thing that I also do as well is I make sure that I always do updo hairstyle. So I don't like it when my hair is on my face, because for me that gives me pimples. So it's just very important to make that intention to say that I'm going to take care of my skin. I love my skin, I appreciate my skin, and I'm so grateful that my skin is covering my whole body. And because of that, I'm going to appreciate my skin by taking care of my skin. Okay, I hope this helps. Let me know what you think on the comment section below. I really appreciate your feedback, and I love reading all your comments, and I promise I will respond to each and every one of them. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, goodbye. I love you.